Good evening, comrades. I just want to say a few things as it relates to the meeting on Sunday. Ward could verify when he WhatsApped me about inviting me for the meeting. I responded to him that I am out of Bartica and I already had a commitment to do other things, which I communicated to him. It was not a deliberate attempt to stay away from the meeting, but I had over 80 persons depending on me, my presence. So I thought it best to fulfill that obligation. However, what Ward had said on the election group whats and expressed his feelings motivated me to bring this to the group attention, and more so of what this compulsive liar Bell is going on with. I am bombarded with people telling me what Bell said about me at that meeting. And the thing that is most hurtful of all is that I question Comrade Gale's leadership with the meeting with Comrade Nandalal. I want to make it clear anyone who was at that meeting could attest to the fact that I made two statements, and I repeat them here. It had no mention of Comrade Gale's name. I said, yes, we worked as a team during the election period and we worked successfully. But presently, the team is disintegrating. And the other statement I made, I said our party is making appointments of people, which I have no problem with. But I am saying and I'm suggesting that our party have some amount of training be done for people who are appointing. Some of the things that some of our appointees are going on with, it crawls your skin. And that is why I made those statements. I never, ever mentioned Comrade Gale's name, who I have the utmost respect for. So Bell making that statement is a total liar. I want to address the issue with Bell saying that Dr. Jagdeo threw me out of the party and he had to beg Comrade Donald Ramatar to reinstate me. So therefore, Bell is bigger than Comrade Jagdeo. When my party card was discarded by comrades who are with us today, some are not with us. Bell was nowhere wrong. Bell was liming and heading and associating with Brenton Archer, the then regional chairman for Bartica. He was a strong PNC person where they get involved in buying jet boats and are using Archer's duty-free concession to buy SUV. Bell was no way wrong. Bell, and I have proof of that, came on board in 2010 when he learned Donald was going up for president. In the presence of my friends, his brother Clarence said to us that he had to bring Stephen into politics when Comrade Donald was going up. So I don't know how he talking, but he had to beg for seat. Comrade Donald Ramatar stood out because he knew what happened with Skeet party card. Okay? The other thing I want to address is about this man talking about me. He doesn't have the courage to stand up in front of Skeet and say, this is it, Skeet. Could only talk behind my back. He talked about the RDC meeting. I am saying here tonight, I am prepared to hand my resignation in tomorrow morning for the RDC Council. If Stephen Bell could bring the minutes to show two things. When I voted against a decision of that he proposed, or if I shoot it down, the records will have Stephen Bell raise the issue and Skeet go against it. Let him bring the minutes. The other thing he talked about that he had to defend Skeet in the RDC against Norma Thomas. Stephen said not a single word. It is a fact that Norma Thomas said Skeet does do cockwalk or inferior worker to this extent. I was the one who raised the issue about Williams. The records will show that, where he did not completed the project in Waramadong. The REO called up the engineer, and the engineer attested to that fact. So I don't know where Bell is getting these weird ideas from to say. Bell is talking about Skeet is not paying his workers. This man is really, really losing it. Comrades, for you to have a compliance from NIS, you have to take your wages book and your employment book before your issue, where it is being inspected, who you employed, and each employer has to sign their name towards the money they receive. This man doesn't have compliance for GRA. He doesn't have compliance for NIS, so he doesn't know the procedure. All those contract work that he's doing, repairing those boats that are malfunctioning, he doesn't have contract compliance for them. The other day was big embarrassment, then the Prime Minister team going over to Falmouth when the boat break down in the middle of the river. And this is the kind of service he's giving the region for the millions of dollars they're spending. Comrades, it irks me. I stay in my car and I say it's nothing. And, it irks me for here, comrades, telling you that this is how people run you down in your absence. We must be matured and talk about people when they are in your presence. Don't run down a person in their absence. Bell is talking, I have all my receipts, compliance, you name it, for all my vehicle, everything that I own. I pay my taxes. His hotel is an illegal institution, no license. And he's talking about people. When he talks about greediness, Bell got to stand up in front of mirror and then repeat who is greedy. Bell know what he's doing and what he's getting, and he's getting into contract also. He got contracts last year. I know this. Presently, he's tendering under Peter Ramanathar's son's name for contract. And this is the man talking about Skeet. I am fed up and sick about it, comrades. If the party wants me to leave, I'm willing to do this. I was made to understand that Ward said that Skeet demanded 2 contracts. Comrade, I never demanded 2 contracts. Right? Anybody who is into contracts and you attend the reading of the opening of contracts and you know your paperwork that you have done will know if you are in line for that contract. Any contractor who are a seasoned contractor will know that. I cross all my T's, dot all my I's, and every single thing the evaluation criteria require, Skeet has. From bank statement, everything for tenders. Okay? So I said to Ward, I'm almost positive that I'm recommended by the evaluation committee for 2 work. And if you check the records will show that Skeet Dukchan Trading was recommended for 2 work by the evaluation committee. So it's not that Skeet demanded 2 work. The other issue I want to talk about, Ward said that I have 3 work and haven't started any. It is a total lie. I don't know why these people are character assassinators. All my contracts finish. All my contracts finish. And if he knows the procedure is when a contract is awarded to you, you sign the contract, the engineer has to take you what you call a site visit. My site visit for Parima Teachers Living Quarters was done on Friday because of several factors that were affected. Plane run off the airstrip. We had to end up going from Camarang, go around by boat. And people making statements without knowing these things. Comrades, I have 1 contract that was awarded. I did the site visit last Friday. I purchased nearly over 50% of the lumber already from the community. And I don't know why people are doing these things. What is it? Skeet is not want anybody's work. I don't look at what everybody gets. It's not today Skeet doing contract. Years now, over a decade. And Ward knows a fact that I have on my desk. When I was in opposition, I tendered for work. And what happened? I came in lowest, and I know he saw it on my desk. Comrades, I am getting fed up with Bell. I'm making my position clear. I don't even want to go back to Bell venue for any meeting. Only because of the love for my party, I tolerate it. This man is so compulsive liars that he speaks nothing truth. My brother could say to me what transpired at the meeting. And numerous other comrades, I wouldn't call the name. Up to this evening, three comrades were together and said, Skeet, imagine people are saying if you have done all of this for your party. And this is how people, because Skeet was the talk of the thing by Stephen Bell, contributed by Ward. Right? My brother is proud enough of me. He's not like Clarence Bell, who is a Stephen Bell brother, talked about Stephen Bell taking off from a letter that they wrote requesting an additional boat on the service each, took off the back page. Clarence Bell told me and my friends, we were talking. I have people could attest to that. There is talks and it is facts, it's in the records to show that this man is inflating his bills at the region and talking about me. Stand up in front of the mirror, look in front and see for yourself and then make your judgment. I'm going to forward this thing to Comrade Gale and then I'm going to put it onto the general watch. Enough of you were laughing, enough people were giggling and things. But let them stand up in front of the mirror and talk and see, ask yourself if you better than Skeet. I challenge any one of our comrades, walk down the road and see who will greet who, will get the most greeting from comrades within this community. Comrades, it's frustrating. Sometimes I don't even want to read the what's because this thing is getting overbearing and overbearing. I just want to isolate myself.